Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix the Snapchat SS06 error code in iPhone, which usually means that your device is banned or blocked from using Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first step, you need to simply check for any third-party applications. The SS06 ban often happen if Snapchat detects any third-party tweaks or any modified applications. So you can delete any unofficial Snapchat versions and keep only the official applications from the App Store. In the second method, you can simply just come here on your App Store. From here, you need to uninstall the Snapchat application, then restart your iPhone and reinstall it from the App Store. This is going to clear any corrupted data that is linked to the ban. Now, sometimes the bans are tied to your device's IP, so you can go to the settings of your device, then go to the general tab. Over here in the general tab, you will see the option of transfer or reset your iPhone. Then select the option of reset or reset network settings. This is going to give you a new IP address when you reconnect. So you can also try this method. Now, if the error still persists, you can just simply try to contact to the Snapchat customer support team. To them, you need to explain politely that your account or your device is showing 6608 error and they can help you in this problem. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.